Hello everyone, welcome to my third video of Business English Lesson Series. My name is Yassine and today we will be discussing how to give an introduction of a presentation. But before we start, I would like you to know that giving a presentation doesn't mean stuffing PowerPoint slides with writings and read to your audience. By giving a presentation, you not only deliver information about that topic, but also you transmit information about your profile and your personality. Preparing an organized presentation begins with an attractive, stimulating introduction. And that introduction is the most crucial piece. It's like a book cover. The lovelier it is, the more attractive it becomes. So either you have attended presentations or you have done them yourself, there is always that cliche sentence all presenters tend to use when they introduce their topics. So you can find someone saying, "Hello everyone, today's topic will be about," or someone else saying, "Hello ladies and gentlemen, the purpose of today's presentation is to discuss something specific." I don't say these two sentences are incorrect, but definitely there are better ways to give an introduction, and that's what we will see in today's video. So let's get started. I mentioned earlier that a good introduction is based on grasping the audience's attention. If you don't grab your group's attention at the very beginning, you may not have it for the rest of the presentation. To do that, we have different strategies. For example, after greeting and welcoming, you can start the presentation with quoting someone. And here I have some common examples on how to greet and welcome. So you can use one of the sentences you have there. When it comes to introducing yourself, there is no need to do it if you are delivering this presentation to colleagues or co-workers. Giving an introduction of a presentation by quoting someone would be something like that. "Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for finding the time to come and attend this presentation. Michael Phelps said once, there will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits." He linked success to hard work. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What do you think? That's quoting someone. In addition to that, we have telling a story or sharing a story. Here, if you are still talking about success, you can just refer to a figure who started from scratch and became one of the well-known celebrities and figures around the world. You have Steve Jobs, you have Jack Ma, and so on and so forth. The third strategy is to get the audience to participate. And here you have to look for some kind of activities to start your introduction with so that you can involve them and let them speak at the very beginning. If you have started the introduction of your presentation with a quote or with a story, it is important to link that to the purpose of the presentation, which means we are going from what is general to what is specific. After that, you have to provide a brief overview of what you will cover in the talk, which means all the points you are going to tackle in the development should be mentioned in the introduction of the presentation. You can use some expressions like first of all, then, next, after that, and finally. The last point is to postpone questions. Make sure that all your attendees are postponing questions until the end, too simply so that you are not disturbed while presenting, and also in order not to lose your ideas while answering their questions. You can use some expressions to kindly ask them to postpone questions. You can use something like that. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, please leave them until the end and they'll be happy to answer them. Now, let's put all what has been said into practice. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for finding the time to come and attend this presentation. My name is Yassine, I'm a business English trainer, and I'm here today to tell you a story. A sad story of a miserable man who failed twice his primary school when he was a child, failed the entrance exam thrice, wrote to Harvard University 10 times and had been rejected. When he was looking for a job, He failed to land a job after applying 30 times. When KFC reached his area, he applied with 23 other people. In the interview, the 23 people were all accepted except him. He was the 5th applicant to a job in police force and was rejected because he has been told that he is not good enough. This miserable man is going to be one of the richest men few years down the line. I'm talking about the man in the picture, Jack Ma, the owner of the e-commerce platform Alibaba. This man knew how to change and transform failure into success. And that's going to be our topic for today, ladies and gentlemen. So before we start, allow me just to show you the outline of this presentation. First of all, we are going to start by giving a definition of success. Then we are going to see the relationship between success, ambition, and hard work. And finally, we're going to have a look at the management and its relation with success. So if you have any kind of questions, remarks, or suggestions, please keep them until the end of the presentation and I'll be happy to answer them. That's all regarding the introduction of a presentation. When you have some free time, try to follow these steps and give an introduction of your own presentations. I will see you in the coming videos with new lessons. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon.